Morning everyone, Prep Aussie here. The date and time is the 6th of the 5th, 2016, 08:51 AM, WAST. I'm obviously recording on the Australian Weathercam network, and the day that I'm recording is Monday, May 2nd, 2016, starting at 6, ending at 8. Okay. Couple of things to go through with you. Okay. Now, if you take notice of this plane and your eye across there, that is where the sun comes up, just there, approximately in that vicinity, okay? So from there to there. Just wanted to tell everyone that before I started, just so you can keep an eye on that distance from there to there, okay? So we'll start and then you can all see what I mean. Okay, that was 6:01 AM. Go to 6:05, do it in fives. Okay, you see a little bit of a glow there, not too bad, a little bit there. $6.10. Okay, you see a little bit of a rising glow there, and a rising glow there. That's at 6:10. 6:15. Got another light there, and a light source coming up here. So you've got a light source here and a light source just here. Okay, now remember, the sun comes up just there. So I missed 6:20, I'll go 6:21. There you go. Look at that. It's so bright. It's got its own reflection off the cam. Look at that. It's so bright, it's reflecting off there. And not only that, if you draw your eyes and you look properly, you'll see that there's another light source just here, just in here. Now, like I said, don't forget the sun comes up just over here. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Just 5 minutes later. Look, that has got its own horizon and everything. It's like the sun rising, isn't it? See the reflection of the webcam? Now look at this over here. There's a secondary light source here. Look at that. $6:30. Look, you see what I mean about the two light sources? See that one there and that one there? Look, you can't miss it. Yeah, I'm probably missing a few too many here. Let me go back a bit. There's something I wanted to show you. Notice how when you're looking at this now, it's 6:30. And look, I know about the clouds and everything else. Now, you see you got the reflection there from that one. Now look at this. You got one here from this one. So how can that be possible? How can that physically be possible? There's a reflection of the lens there and a reflection of the lens there. You see the yellow across the horizon, like the sun's going to come up. Going a bit slow today. Okay, so we want to go to these ones. This is a good one. Shows you exactly what I was saying. Look. It's exactly bang on. So what I was saying the other day about 3 sunrises was actually pretty factual. So I got one here, and then the sun is going to come up over here. Seems incredible, doesn't it? There you go. And the sun hasn't come up yet. 1, 2, 6:40. Nothing. It's all gone. Now you can see what I was saying about this light source here. So there was a light source here, which you saw, and another light source there. So let's just go back a bit. Oh no, I'll take you through to the sun coming up, and then we'll go back again. You know, look how dark it is now. 6:42. There you go. And there's the sun coming up, right in line with that the tail of that plane. It's actually bang on, isn't it? Look, straight through. line that through there, and that's where the sun comes up. Notice how this is all gone now. There you go. I didn't make it up. It did happen. So let me take it back again. No, let me go to page 2, I think it was. I'm actually trying to find the brightest one. There you go. Does that look familiar? Notice how on the direct line with that thing with the plane's tail, there is no light emanating from that area there. It's that one. There's two. There's that one there, and there's this one over here. I'll take it back a little bit. There you go. Look familiar? Sure does to me. And you remember I said yesterday there was 3 light sources? Well, I've just proven that by fact that there's one there, and that one's gone, has faded a fair bit now, hasn't it? And this one's come up a bit, you know, and the sun's still not illuminating any light over the horizon yet. pretty scary. Look at that. It's just a pure light coming out of there now. It's got its own look. It's looking straight at the camera lens, and it's got a reflection straight at the camera lens. And as I said, I don't doctor them, I don't touch them, I don't do anything to them. There's also something else that I want to show you, which caught my eye this morning. I probably noticed it before, but I just go on this one. Okay, folks, what I was trying to say was, if you look at the way the sun comes up, it's probably not a good way to show you on this one because it's a little bit cloudy. But I'll try and find another one, and I'll point out to you that it kind of comes up weird. That's an understatement, isn't it? So there you go, look. There's nothing there now. That's where it was over here, by the way. There's nothing there. And there's the tail of the plane, directly in line with the sun. So while we're at Point Halloran, that was yesterday. It didn't show up today. Don't know why. There you go. Our friend is still there from yesterday. There it is, big and beautiful. Clearly see it. Drop your screen back a little bit from the 45. Oh, I meant to show you as well. Just let me get this first. Okay, folks. Alright, we're back again. Right. Here's that sphere that we had yesterday. Same thing in Point Halloran today. And I just want to show you a picture which will blow your mind, which was sent to me from Mr. Vine in LA, who was the guy who put me onto this. He had a mate of his have a look at it and then do some analysis on it. And look at that. That's the sun down here, as you can clearly see, and that is the object that we're talking about. Sorry. So how does it get like that? That's at 8:47. That tells you, see the heat resonance there. That's heat resonance. So this is actually a planet. Mr. Earth Shift X, if you're watching, mate, I wonder if you could do us a favour and do your little tricks with you. I'll send you an email and see if I can get that done. But look at that, that's just amazing, isn't it? Well done, Mr. Vine. Thank you very much, brother or sister. I'm not sure who it is. I said Mr. Vine, but he writes like a man, so I'm guessing it's a man. Thanks for the picture, buddy. So that there is actually something, it's not nothing. So let's just go back, see if we've got any better pictures of it now. There you go, look at that. Jeez, that's huge, whatever it is. Bloody massive. Let's just see what happens on the horizon here at 6:30 in the morning. Excuse me. Take it back to 5. That's 5:35 today. It's a little bit higher than the other ones, but nothing outstanding. Let's play Super Sleuths and go back to 4:30 and see what happens. Not much to see there, is there? Same thing as Western Australia, Jandicot. Look, same thing. Just don't forget Jandicot is looking at that way. So it's turned around a bit more to be exactly the same. Sorry, I got a frog in my throat this morning. So what would be interesting to find out if anyone can do it is how we can tell what the distance is from, so I'll go back to this phone. If we can tell what the distance is from there in degrees to just to that tail of that point where the sun came up, I'd probably say it'd be about so like I said, folks, it'd be interesting to see if anyone could judge the degree that it is from there to in line with that tail just off the screen. If I'm correct, it's probably about 15 degrees, 15 to 20. No, it wouldn't be 20, would it? So let's say between 10 and 15 degrees. That's where that's coming up now, folks. Directly over here. I will check for other ones and let you know how I get on. So anyway, God bless. We'll speak in